Everybody's had them, but what are they? Let's uncover the mystery of hiccups. It's all about your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. Sometimes it spasms unexpectedly, making you suck in air too quickly. This sudden airflow slams your vocal cords shut, causing that funny hic sound. Hiccups can happen if you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, or even when you're excited. Most of the time they go away on their own, but holding your breath or sipping water slowly might help. Fun and weird, right? Text on screen, hiccup, no problem.